Top Professional Choice Ambient Weather WS2902 reviewed. After a thorough look over, the Ambient Weather WS2902 Pro weather station is definitely a must-have. If you are as keenly psyched by the weather as I am, then this is your equipment. I was looking at Ambient Weather WS series and they appear to be very competitive in the personal weather station space online. As I explored this internet weather station, it most assuredly does have some very nice features included in it. Let's take a closer look at the ambient weather instruments that are included in this personal weather station. Sorry, I don't have the time to wait. Please take me to the Ambient WS2902 Weather Pro station now. Ambient Weather WS2902 Pro weather station features. The Pro station measures the following for you. It measures wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, outdoor temperature and humidity, as well as solar radiation and UV wave levels. Also included for additional measurement inside the console are temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure. The weather station also calculates dew point, the wind chill factor, and heat index. Also measured by the ambient weather instruments are the peak wind gusts and light levels. This unit has a weather forecaster as part of its programming. When in use, the weather forecasting uses the following icons. The 5 weather icons are sunny, partly cloudy, cloudy, rainy, stormy, and snowy. The forecast icon is based on the rate of change of barometric pressure. Please allow at least 1 month for the weather station to learn the barometric pressure over time. See a picture of the real console below. Types of instruments. It comes equipped with an anemometer and rainfall gauge, a barometer, and an outside ambient weather thermometer. These readings are housed and generated from a separate sensor unit which is located outside of your residence. Instrument sensors. This unit comes with a wireless all-in-one integrated sensor array. The Osprey measures wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, UV and solar radiation. Then for you and your indoor curiosity, your display console measures the following indoor measurements: indoor temperature, humidity and barometer. Types of transmission. The transmission uses a Wi-Fi console and transmits at RF frequency 2.4 GHz. As I said earlier, it is Wi-Fi connectable with the option that enables your station to transmit its data wirelessly to the world's largest personal weather station network, Weather Underground. In addition to Weather Underground, the weather station supports uploads to WeatherBug and Weather Cloud. It will send real-time data to WeatherBug website. This is what is going on with WeatherBug. WeatherBug backyard tracking stations empower weather enthusiasts to get their name on the map and have their tracking station's data seen by millions of users via the WeatherBug application. It also will send real-time data to a Weather Cloud website. Weather Cloud makes managing your device not only easy but fun. You may access the app from your computer, tablet or smartphone to enjoy the same user experience across all devices. Questions and answers. Question: how do you empty the rain gauge? Answer: it is self-emptying. The rain gauge gets emptied by itself without using power. Question: does this require an internet connection to set up or function? Answer: it does not require an internet connection. In this article you will learn Ambient Weather WS2902 Pro weather station features, types of instruments, instrument sensors, types of transmission, questions and answers, display, manufacturer support, how powered Proskins, consumer ratings. Question: how far above the ground should it be installed? Answer: as an example, considering the wind gauge should be mounted 4 times the distance of the differential height of the tallest obstruction. Example: house equals 20 feet tall, pole equals 52 tall. Question: does it come with a pole? Answer: no, it does not. Question: can I set up the WS2902 weather station with my Samsung Android tablet? Answer: yes, you can. Question: so does this model require the weather bridge to update live data to ambientweather.net? Answer: no. It does it on its own. Display. Its dimensions are approximately. Display console, frame dimensions, LXWXH 7.50x 4.50x 0.75, LCD dimensions, LXW 3.00x 6.75. And the Osprey separate outside sensor unit is this size. Sensor array, APX. HXLXW 15x11x103. It is a color film LCD display. This color is easy on the eyes and a very attractive feature to look at and to find the readings you are looking for. Manufacturer support. The directions for the Ambient WS2902 are best obtained by reading the service manual from Ambient. You may click here to access the manual PDF in full. The customer service is quick and responsive to both emails and phone calls. Customers report that they care. How powered? Solar powered with battery backup. 3 AAA batteries as backup batteries, these are not included. For the Osprey sensor Wi-Fi unit you may insert 2 XAA batteries, non-rechargeable batteries into the unit for power. Please be aware these are not included in your purchase, as they must be purchased separately. Pros. Very easy to set up. Sets up readily to share information to the ambientweather.net weather site. The Ambient Weather skill provides ambient weather personal weather station owners with the ability to get real-time and past weather information generated by the devices they have set up at ambientweather.net. Enable the skill, and to get started, all you need to do is say Alexa, ask Ambient Weather for a weather report. This will provide you with your outdoor weather report, and you can ask also for your indoor weather report as well by saying, Alexa, ask Ambient Weather about the indoor conditions. Also works with Google Assistant. The Ambient Weather Google Assistant app provides ambient weather personal weather station. Gives owners the ability to get real-time and past weather information generated by the devices they have set up at ambientweather.net as well. Excellent support via their Ambient Weather Facebook page. It comes with a built-in bubble level to level the weather station unit on first install. Cons. The Osprey sensor is made to be easily installed on top of a pole, but when it comes to attaching to the side of a pole or the side of a wall, it is much more difficult job to do. Special brackets will need to be used for this. This will require extra purchases to accomplish. The compass rose is difficult to view. The direction indicator not seen easily. Some of the space on the console could be used better. The color screen the way it is constructed makes it difficult to view from different angles. Consumer ratings. The purchasers of these unit from Ambient are very high on this unit. They love how easily it is to set up. They say the manual, while very helpful, isn't always the needed that much. Some say it is built so that you may set it up intuitively. Ambient Weather WS2902 10-in-1 Wi-Fi professional weather station. The Ambient WS2902 is a great answer in what a great internet weather station should and would look like. This Ambient Weather WS series represents one of the newer models that Ambient has on the market today. Previous Accurite, Davis Pro and Lacrosse owners were very pleased with dipping their toes into the ambient world with this model of Ambient Weather. With the price point being very competitive for everything that you are getting from Ambient, this unit will match up well with your weather geek. Whether it's you and your geekness, or maybe a father for a Father's Day gift, or a brother or grandfather,